What's up, everybody? It's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and today I have a fun one for you. I may say that in pretty much every video, but I seem to never stop amazing myself at the cool things that we build. Now, yes, they are really cool, but what I'm even more excited about is the places that you're now going to be able to go with a suspension kit on it from Weldtec Designs. Because take, for example, this awesome Transit. Now, this is something new. This is an Expanse, and I almost want to say it's an expensive RV. Maybe that's what they were going for, but didn't want to totally insult you when you buy it. So when this RV came in, it was sitting, can you imagine it even sitting lower? Because this actually has a 2-inch suspension package on it. So they come really low from the factory, really limiting the possibilities and places that you could go. Hey, did I tell you that if you like this type of content that you should smash that subscribe button, come and hang out with me even more often? And hey, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below and I would love to answer them for you. Maybe you're thinking about getting something like this or completely different. I cover all sorts of RVs. So it's pretty fun, and I hope that I can entertain and educate you all in the same video. So this is really cool. This is an all-wheel drive. So what that means is this is gonna have front axles. It's kind of like an independent front suspension, but it's technically called a McPherson strut. It has a big strut in there, which is a love-hate relationship with me, but I'm still undecided. All we did, keeping it simple, is we did a 2-inch spacer up on the top of the strut. We also did our lower control arm. The benefit in that lower control arm is that it's going to have camber and caster adjustment, which is really important because the stock Ford Transits have no camber or caster adjustment. So it's kind of pretty much a one and done sort of thing. And that's going to be the big plus. Now, this is a 3rd gen arm, and what that means is you don't have to remove the rear pivot point in order to adjust the caster on these arms. It's just simply has a right hand, left hand nut like a tie rod would, and you can adjust that in or out to add more or less. In the rear of it, we're keeping it really simple. We did the Fox shocks in the rear as well as leaf springs in the rear of this. And if you really want to build something awesome, you could even upgrade it even more to the King shocks. That's another thing that we offer for these RVs and all the Ford Transits on the all-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive platform. Tons of products. I mean, if I stopped for a minute and I jumped on my keyboard and started scrolling, look at all these products that we have to offer for the Ford Transit. It's pretty amazing and makes really a big improvement on how your vehicle drives. Let me talk about that right there. So on the rear of this with the progressive springs, the one really nice thing about those is because of the weight of the build out. So maybe you bought an all-wheel drive Transit, dual rear wheel setup, and you decided like, hey, we're gonna do a build out in it. We can actually build the springs to the weight of your vehicle. So not only is it gonna hold it really nice as far as height, it's really gonna improve the overall ride characteristics of it as well. This does have some really nice polished aluminum wheels. Those are factory. You know, we do offer wheels and all sorts of other products, so that's why I'm definitely gonna encourage you to head over to weldtecdesigns.com, check out our website and all the products that we offer for the Ford Transit platform. Yeah, this video, we're keeping it simple. That's all I got. This is a 2-inch altitude kit with the progressive springs in the rear. If you have questions, the comment section down below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.